This episode sponsored by GoToAssist Express. Continuing coverage here at the Consumer Electronics Show, Todd Cochran from Geek News Central, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm with Robert, and we're going to show you some pretty cool stuff that's coming down the pike. Now, many of you that watch this show or have listened to it will know that we talked about several months ago about an announcement by Intel where they did a demo demonstrating light peak and transferring data at just phenomenal speeds. Now, earlier in the week, you all saw, the USB 3.0 transfers, with this theoretical limits of, 200 megabits per second, read and write times. Well, Robert's going to tell what's going to be possible soon, probably maybe even it may not be even until next year, but let's talk a little bit about light peak.
Well, this is light peak, and this is the next generation high-speed optical cable technology from Intel, developed by Intel. And we're really trying to solve three problems. The first problem is just overall copper is kind of reaching its limits of performance. The second problem we were trying to solve was as mobile products get smaller and smaller and smaller, the room for connected devices, or connected connectors, is actually getting less and less available. And the third problem we were trying to solve was just the number of connectors we actually have in our industry. So how we're doing that is with light peak, optical, this runs at 10 gigabits per second, and what you're seeing here is two 4 gigabit 1080p streams running simultaneously over one cable for a total of 8 gigabits per second. So basically over light peak, you can transfer an entire Blu-ray movie in under 30 seconds.
And really, the only way that's possible is through fiber. And I see you've got a prototype only, just so that we know that. Now, if we'll get Jack to stream down, and obviously this is probably nowhere near final design, but this is kind of the prototype on what the board may look like.
Yeah, there's definitely two paths here. We have the standards path, which is typical for Intel, and then obviously we'll have product available. Components will be available in 2010. Product from OEMs will not be available until 2011. So for the prototype, we have USB, essentially with fiber under USB, and then this is the optical module that's doing the conversion, and this is the controller chip. For the standards effort, the connector will have to be decided upon, what's it going to look like, what's the form factor going to be, and what protocols will be supported will also have to come through that standards effort.
Now, you guys just think about it. We talk about fiber to the home. Now we're talking about fiber in the home, maybe fiber interconnected with our components. It's going to be pretty cool, exciting stuff. So great innovation by Intel, as always, and a continued coverage here at Consumer Electronics Show. I'm Todd Cochran for the Tech Podcast. It'll be easier with GoToAssist Express, an easy and secure remote support solution purpose-built for individuals, small businesses, and professionals who need to support clients. With the click of your mouse, start a support session. Your client simply enters the code you give them on the fastsupport.com website. With their permission, you have the same access to their computer that you have of your own. You can examine programs, check and modify control panel settings. GoToAssist Express gives you full access to their desktop. Need deeper access? Run the GoToAssist Express diagnostic application to get a system summary, application list, processes, programs that start when the computer starts, network connections, devices, services, along with installed applications, and much, much more. Easily send and receive files back and forth between your and your client's computer. Have another support request come in and need to do 2 support sessions at the same time? You can run multiple support sessions with GoToAssist Express. Included is an interactive chat client. As you can see, the menu bar of the GoToAssist Express gives you everything you need to do online support. To try GoToAssist Express right now, free for 30 days, you must visit gotoassist.com/techpodcast. That's gotoassist.com/techpodcast for a free trial.